First time in 6 years, the federal government has shut down after Congress failed to reach a deal to approve new funding. It's our top story tonight. I'm Sarah Diamond.
And I'm Casey Marla. Republicans and proposals extending government funding at current levels until November 21st. Democrats made a counteroffer to keep the government open through October with some added health care provisions. Both sides refused to budge. Now thousands of workers have been put on furlough, with essential employees continuing to work without pay until funding is restored. This is a live look at the Capitol building in Washington as Congress still needs to come to an agreement. Both Democrats and Republicans have weighed in on what's happening. That includes senators and representatives from Tennessee and Virginia. News Channel 11's Brody Wilson reveals what local lawmakers are saying on the challenges the region now faces due to the shutdown.
Yeah, Sarah, Casey, our region, more than others, relies heavily on federally funded programs to support underserved areas with low-income households. I spoke with lawmakers today to discuss the shutdown and why Democrats dug their heels in regarding ACA funding.
With health care costs doubling or tripling or disappearing, that's just not right.
Senator Mark Warner told me he expects Southwest Virginia to, quote, take it on the chin in terms of health care.
I think about Lee County Hospital, that it took us years to get reopened. It could be very well on the chopping block when you take the Medicaid cuts and you take the insurance premiums. It'll be devastating.
Senator Tim Kaine says rural communities will feel the brunt of the cuts due to the disproportionate percentage of the population that are on Medicaid, with an estimated 300,000 people in the area losing services. He said the positive is that both sides of the aisle know that the situation is unsustainable and are motivated to find a solution.
We're not saying you're asking us for something completely unreasonable, we'll never do it. They're saying, you're right, we got to fix this. We've heard from our hospitals, we've heard from our federally qualified health centers, we've heard from doctors, we've heard from patients, we got to fix this. So that means that the door is open to finding a solution.
Representative Morgan Griffith says he doesn't understand the shutdown and believes the Democrats don't want a solution at all.
And there's a majority in the House that want to keep the government open and continue working on all kinds of issues. And instead, the Senate Democrats have decided that they want to fight with President Trump, so here we go.
Each of the lawmakers told me they hope the shutdown will be short, but it'll depend on how much each side is willing to compromise. For now, it's the people, especially those in rural areas, who will feel the effects. Sarah?